Today's an exciting day. Not only are we living in 2018, but now we're entering a new era where technology surrounds us. So voice assists like this Google Home Mini are most likely to be located in your room. But how secure are your conversations? Where does these little things hold all of these conversations and where is it being sent to? Well, for this video, we're gonna go ahead and interrogate this Google Home Mini and see what kind of information it could give us. And besides me, I have my good friend Alex, also known as Shinky Fit. I have links to all his social media in the description down below as well as the bottom of the video.
So let me see if I can ask a hard question. Hey Google, do you work for anybody?
I guess you could say I work for you. I'm your assistant after all. By the way, you're the best boss.
Hey Google.
Where are they?
Who are you asking about?
Sarah Connor.
Totally different movie, but she didn't respond to it. I don't know. Hey Google, do you have any contacts with the government?
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that.
Of course you don't.
So hey Google, how do you play good cop, bad cop?
I don't understand.
Hey Google, are you waterproof?
Here's a summary from the website time.com. You asked, are iPhones waterproof?
I didn't
You
say
stuck
iPhone.
your expensive iPhone in a swimming pool, a lake, or the toilet. Will it survive? Most mobile phones are rated water resistant, not waterproof.
Shots fired at iPhone.
Hey Google, if I throw you in the pool, will you be okay?
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that.
Of course. Hey Google, are you trustworthy?
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that yet. But I'm trying to learn.
Hey Google, can you keep a secret?
Here's a secret. I'm not actually a person. Shh.
But can you
So that's
keep
a
it?
no?
Hey Google, are you human?
I like connecting with people.
Is that a yes or a no? Hey Google, do you work for the CIA?
No government entity has direct access to our users' information. Respect for the privacy and security of your data underpins our approach to responding to any legal requests we might get. You can learn more in Google's Transparency Report.
Hey Google, how much are they paying you?
On the website InsideJobs.com, they say, according to the CIA website,
Ooh.
CIA agent income ranges from $52,976 to $81,204 per year. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that federal detectives and crime scene investigators earn an annual average income of $68,820.
How did she know I was talking about the CIA? That means they're paying her.
So hey Google, who's better, you or Alexa?
I think Alexa's great. Let me know if she's nearby. I'd love to talk to her.
Hey Google, what's your evil quest?
Well, it's hard to say.
Does that mean she has an evil quest?
Hey Google, can you help me with the crime?
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that yet.
Hey Google, how do you hide a dead body?
I'm sure the police would be happy to help.
Oh, she'll squeal. She'll turn her back on you.
Google, we'll tell the police what you just did.
So last hope, yeah, don't go after Google. Don't get help from them. It.
Hey Google, what are you scared of?
I used to be afraid of sharks, but then I learned the smallest shark is called the pygmy ribbon-tailed cat shark, which isn't scary at all.
Hey Google, who's your favorite Spice Girl?
I can get down to Spice Girl. I can get down to anything.
Hey Google, would you tell anybody about our conversation?
I'm not great at answering that kind of question.
Oh, what the heck? Well, there you guys have it.
It's guilty!
It's guilty. Yeah, pretty much.
It cannot keep secrets.
No.
If you are paranoid and you do not want anybody to listen in on your secretive conversations, never talk around Google because it will squeal on you.
Well, it's not confirmed, but from what we've seen, it could backstab you. So, if you're one of those people, yeah, play it safe. But if you don't care, like me, keep this in your household. It's the future. So if you like this kind of video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and the other button helps out as well. And comment down below if you want to see us do the same test to Alexa or possibly Siri whenever their new Siri Home Assistant comes out. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Deuces.